Look at this picture. You have seen it 1,000 times. The monkey, the caveman, the hunter, and finally us, the modern human. It feels like the end of the line. It feels like the final product. We built giant cities. We cured deadly diseases. We invented the internet. We completely removed ourselves from the food chain. Because of this, most people believe that human evolution has stopped, that we beat nature, that there is no next stage. But this is the biggest biological illusion of our time. Evolution did not stop. In fact, right now, humans are evolving faster than at any point in the last 300,000 years. But we are not evolving into superhumans with giant brains and laser focus. The truth is much darker. We are evolving backwards. Let's start with your brain. If you think modern humans are the smartest version of our species, you are wrong. Over the last 20,000 years, the average human brain has actually shrunk. It has lost about 10% of its volume. That is a piece of brain tissue roughly the size of a tennis ball, just gone. Why would the most intelligent animal on Earth lose brain power? The answer is domestication. Think about a wild wolf and a pet dog. A wolf needs a massive brain to hunt, survive winter, and avoid danger. A pet dog just needs to look cute and wait for a bowl of food. Because the dog's life is safe and easy, its brain shrank by 20%. Humans did the exact same thing to ourselves. We domesticated ourselves. In a modern society, you do not need to know how to build a fire, track an animal, or memorize a map. You just need to know how to follow the rules of society. And today, we are outsourcing our brains entirely. Your smartphone remembers your phone numbers. GPS navigates your roads. AI writes your emails. We are losing cognitive volume because we simply do not need it anymore. And it is not just our brains. Our physical bodies are changing rapidly. Look at your mouth. Today, millions of people need surgery to remove their wisdom teeth. Why? Because our jaws are physically getting smaller. Ancient humans needed large jaws to chew tough, raw meat and roots. But since the invention of fire and agriculture, our food became soft. Bread, pasta, cooked meat. Our jaws shrank, but our teeth didn't get the memo. Even our skeleton is changing. Compared to a human from 10,000 years ago, your bones are incredibly light and fragile. Our ancestors had bones like heavy timber. We have bones like hollow plastic. Because we stopped running through forests and started sitting in office chairs. For 99% of human history, evolution was driven by survival of the fittest. If you were weak or had bad eyesight or a bad immune system, you died. You did not pass on your genes. But today we have modern medicine. If you have bad eyesight, you get glasses. If you get an infection, you take antibiotics. Medicine is a miracle, but biologically, it means survival of the fittest is dead. Today, almost everyone survives. This means random genetic mutations that would have disappeared in the past are now spreading through the human population. Evolution is no longer about surviving nature. It is about surviving society. So, look at the picture again. What comes next? In 1,000 years, the human body will likely be weaker, with smaller jaws, fragile bones, and a smaller biological brain. But that won't matter, because the next stage of human evolution isn't biological. It is technological. We will merge with our machines. Brain chips, robotic limbs, and genetic editing will become our new evolution. The stick figure at the end of the line isn't the final human. It is just the bridge to something we cannot even comprehend yet. If this video made you think, subscribe now. Let's figure this world out, together.